Okay, welcome to week 3 of the second quarter of your basic writing class. This week we're going to continue with argumentative writing and focusing on writing your editorial, which would be a paper that you'll do in a couple of steps, and we'll start it this week. First of all, we're going to watch this presentation on clutter and on how to cut out words that are not necessary in your writing. Sometimes writers have the tendency to add words that are just fluff words that don't really mean anything and don't add to the feeling of the writing. Don't add anything to it. They just fill space. And you're going to learn which kinds of words those are and how to eliminate it from your writing. The next thing you're going to do is this assignment on editorial mentor texts. This assignment will ask you to actually look at some really great editorials, choose 2 that are interesting to you, and tell me which 2 you chose, and write about what stuck out to you as you read that. And make sure you don't not just one sentence, write a few sentences or a paragraph about each of those editorials, because you'll need to draw on that knowledge for later writing. The next thing you're going to do is write your rough draft of your editorial, and you'll post it in this forum. So let's open that up. So you'll post it by adding a new discussion here, and posting your editorial will be worth 20 points. Then you need to go back and respond to 2 peers, and that's worth 20 points for each response. So the thing that you're going to respond to when you look at your peers and read their papers, and this will be a link to a Google Doc, is what part of the editorial did you find to be the most powerful and why? Comment on anything you might feel that qualifies as clutter to help them eliminate that, and what parts of the editorial did you feel exude energy and voice. So make sure you give them specific positive feedback on their writing. I want you to model your writing after some of those mentor texts we looked at over the past couple of weeks. Look at some of those editorials, and you're going to try to model that. I don't have a specific length requirement for this, but you need to write enough to make a point about an issue that you're interested in. So use your research that you've done last week. Look at those articles that you've researched to give some background to your argument, and just write about something that you are interested in talking about and you want to persuade others to believe in. So just do your best on that. Remember, this week is just a rough draft, and post that in the discussion forum and go back and do some peer editing. That's due on Friday. Let me know if you have any questions.